Hi and welcome to another episode of JEMTrades. This is where we help you to tighten your trading into profitability. So today I want to share with you something that used to happen to me on a regular basis, and I'm sharing it in the hopes that I can help demonstrate why thinking in terms of time, linear time, that is beginnings, middles and endings, is detrimental to your trading. It's something that it has been instilled in us in everyday society, but it's something that's completely detrimental to our trading. So this is what used to happen to me. I would come in, and let me know in the comments section if this is something that you've been through too. I'd guess that 95% of traders has experienced something similar. So you come in on Monday, let's write here with this pen, you come in on Monday at the beginning of the week, and the key word here is beginning. I won't bother writing the whole word, but so you begin the week here, Monday. You've had the weekend, you're raring to go. It's the start of the week. You come in, you take one too many trades. Usually you take 2 trades, but today it's Monday, you take 4, 2 are made up trades, and you end up losing 3 trades and winning 1 trade. You would have won 1 and lost 1. Instead you won 1 and you lost 3, and you're down on the day. Bad start to the week. So then you go on to Tuesday, you start to get your composure back. Wednesday, you're trading well. And by Wednesday, you've negated this draw. Maybe Tuesday, you went in too heavy on Monday. Tuesday, you took your time. You took 2 trades. They were both wins. And then Wednesday, you're getting into the groove. You take 3 trades. 1 loss, 2 wins. And by this stage, you've eliminated this drawdown and you're up on the week. Thursday, you trade as normal. That's not Thursday, but anyway, that's supposed to be an H and then a U. Let's do that there. That's Thursday. And then Friday comes. Now what happens on Friday? It's the end of the week. Friday is the end of the week. So what happens then? Typically, nerves set in. You're coming back to the weekend again. You don't want to lose these hard-earned profits that you made. So you just watch, or you're a bit nervous. You watch. Maybe you take 1 trade. That trade's a loser. Whereas if you had taken the next trade, that would have been a big win, but you didn't get this. So let's recap and see what's happened here. We've come in really gung-ho on Monday and we've messed things up. Whereas if we were thinking of things in terms of just flow, we would have traded normally, but we come in with extra enthusiasm on Monday. We right the ship on Tuesday and Wednesday, maybe Thursday as well. And this is the optimum place. This is where we want to be trading all the time, in this space here. And then Friday, we're too scared. So real aggression on Monday, fear on Friday. The fear on Friday takes some of our gains. The fear, the urgency and the enthusiasm on Monday takes our gains away because we overtrade. And we've essentially, let's say we would have made, I don't know, for argument's sake, $500 on 1 contract. Had we have just traded in homogeneous, free-flowing style. Instead, we ruined Monday, so that took some of the profit away, and then we ruined Friday with our fear, and that took some. So maybe we end up with 250, or it could be that we end up with a lot less. And this is simply because we're trading with the mindset of beginnings, middles, and endings. There is nothing inherently worse off about trading on a Friday, and there is nothing inherently more attractive on trading on a Monday. What's more attractive is in our head, because we see Monday as the beginning of a new week. If we train ourselves to think of Monday as just another day, and likewise Friday is just another day, then we'll be able to trade our edge consistently for 5 days of the week, rather than just the 3 in the middle, where we're protected. It's the extremes that get us, the extreme emotions. So my solution, what I've done to rectify, I noticed this, my best days were Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Monday were typically losing days, and Fridays were typically losing days as well, but for 2 different reasons. And so what I did is I made sure that I capped the amount of trades on a Monday. So I capped Mondays, and where I was fearful on Fridays, I would take one more trade on a Friday. And why did I do this? This is to take away the fear. When you're fearful, do a little more. When you're anxious or excited, do a little less. And so it's counterintuitive, because you're stepping into the fear on Friday and you're moving away from the excitement on Monday. But this one change really turned my trading around and allowed me to view every day as just another day. And this is why I believe the market has low volume on a Friday. It's not because it's inherently more dangerous to trade, although the fact that there's less volume now makes it that way, but the original source of that low volume is just people's inherent desire to get away from losing money before the weekends. So that's all I've got for you today. So if you want to change, for you it may be the opposite. Maybe you're fearful on a Monday and overly anxious on a Friday, in which case you'll need to reverse that and take cap Fridays and take one more trade on Monday. But the idea behind this parable, this story, is just to say you have to round off those edges. You don't want to think in terms of squares, you want to think in terms of circles. So keep it flowing, keep the edge consistent, and don't ramp it up and don't hold it back. Look to just keep that flow going from Monday to Friday, because really Friday just comes before Monday, and Monday just comes after Friday in terms of trading days. I know the weekend's in the middle, but let's not let the weekend encourage us to think of the following days as a new event. It's just another trading day. So that's all I've got for you today. Like this video if you want to see more of this. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. And as always, just remember to dumb it down and follow your plan. See you next time.